Jaynae Gordon, and welcome back to my educational channel. Hello, all my beautiful fans out there. Hello, my beautiful fans out there.
How are you? Send us a message and let us know how you're doing. Well, welcome to all these beautiful people from all over the world. You are watching Dijonae Jaynae Gordon
Educational channel.
All right, so we are here today in our Math Hour. All right, and today we're not gonna be staying long because guess what? We said we're gonna give you some time for yourself. So what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be adding using the number line. How many persons know how to do that? We are going to be doing addition, and we're gonna be using the number line. Do you know how to add using the number line? Do you know what is a number line?
You can use it when you're multiplying.
You can use it to add, you can use it to take away, you can use it to multiply. Of course, so today we are going to be doing a little time using the number line. All right, so let's see the persons who are with us now. We are going to be doing a shout out now to all the beautiful persons that are watching us all over the world. You are on Dijonae Jaynae Gordon
Educational channel.
All right. So first, we must say to you, we love you all, and we're happy that you are here with us today. We're happy that you take some time out to come and share with us what you know, and we're here to share what we know, right? Remember, this is a teaching and learning session, and we are learning from you, and you are learning from us. All right. What I am gonna be saying right now is that all we have to do is just to be respectful to each other in the chat.
Don't say unkind words.
Just be kind.
Yes.
All right. So if you're here for the first time, after we're finished with the live, please to go outside, watch a video that is 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Yes, I mean 4 minutes. And you're going to watch it to the end. When you are finished watching it, you're going to make sure you press the
thumbs up button.
You're going to leave us a comment in the comment section.
And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can be notified whenever I'm going live or making a video.
All right. So you hear Dijonae speaking to you all. All right. And also what you need to make sure you do for us, please, is to make sure whenever you see us upload a video, please to watch it. Whenever we're live, please to jump on, and remember to share us out if you can. Tell a friend to come on over, because we go live on a Monday, a Wednesday, a Thursday, and of course a Friday.
And a Tuesday.
All right. So guess what? We go live at 6 on a Monday. We don't go live, okay? On a Tuesday, we do
vocabulary business. On a Wednesday, we do games night. On a Thursday, we do maths hour. And on a Friday, we do Real Friday. And that is the day when everybody gets to come on screen and read their story. It can be a Bible story or a regular story. Whichever story you have on whether you can come on screen and read it, and we will hear you. And we will also tell you what we learned from the story.
Of course. So you see, you just heard it from Dijonae. You heard it all. All right. So first I must say mega love share out to all the persons that are here with us, watching us from all over the world. If you don't give us a thumbs up as yet, please to give us a thumbs up. Call a friend, tell a friend to come on over, because we're in Math Hour right now, and we officially begins right here. I am Mommy Deborah K, and you're tuning into
Dijonae educational channel.
All right. Also, remember now you can leave us a comment so that we know what you learned during this session on the outside when the live is finished. Okay. Tell us how you rated. Tell us how we did. All right.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna be going in the chat. I'm gonna go in the chat to say hello to the persons that are in the chat.
We're going to be seeing how my beautiful fans are doing.
All right. So we have Riri's World.
And she said, "Hey guys, hey Riri."
All right, Riri, thank you for coming. Mega love shout out to you, my darling. So we have some great content creators in the chat. Remember now to feel free to go on over and show them some love. All right. All right. So we also have Ariana Lee.
And she said, "Hello."
Hi, Ariana. We love you, Mama.
Mama.
We also have
Sharina Swords, and she said, "Hi, Dijonae, how are you? I'm fine, Sharina."
All right, we love you, Sharita. Thank you, Mama, for coming. And Ademi, hello to you. Miracle, hello to you. Mega love, Cheryl, to you, my love. All right. So also we have. Let's see what else we have. We have Mystic
Sensation.
Hello, Mega love, Cheryl, to you, Miss Mystic and Mr. Mystic. We love you.
And he said, "Hello, everyone. I'm in traffic."
All right, drive safe. All right, so that's what Dijonae would normally say, drive safe. And we have Ariana saying, hello, Ariana. Of course, we love you. And Ariana is saying, I'm fine. I'm happy that you are doing so fine. All right, we also have Mystic, and Mystic says,
I'm out of traffic. Okay.
So Mystic Sensation, mega love shout out to you and the house over there. We love you and thank you for making it. Dijonae, Johnny Gordon.
Educational channel.
And we have
Times, and she said, "Oh no, I'm late."
Oh no, you're not late.
No, we're just starting now.
All right. We love you so much.
And she said, "Sorry."
All right. We love you, Mama. You're not late.
You're not late. We're just starting.
All right. We have Denisha. Denisha. Hello, Denisha. And she say hi. We love you, Denisha. Thank you for coming on over.
And we have Senator Johnson and family. Hello, Senator Johnson and family. And she said, "Hi, everyone."
Hello, Sister Sydney. We love you. We love you. And she said, "I'm in traffic. So I'm not sure she's hearing us." All right. And she said, Hi. We love you, Mama. All right. We have Denisha. She said, I'm late. No, you're not late.
We're just starting now. And we have Mystic Sensation, and he said, "Sydney blessings, Sister Sydney. Mystic is saying blessings to you."
And Sister Sydney said, long traffic. Drive safe, my darling. Don't bump anybody now.
Yeah.
All right. So we have Mystic Sensation saying, hi. Sister Sydney is saying, I'm Mystic Sensation.
Blessings and love.
So we're getting some greeting going on right here. And of course, we have
Abina and family kitchen.
All right, Sister Abina. Welcome, Mama. We love you, sister. Thank you for coming on over. Woo! And she's also saying hello thumbs up.
Yeah. Thank you so very much for that wonderful thumbs up.
We also have Abina, and she's saying hello to the chat.
So she's greeting everyone that's in the chat.
All right, so she's also sending some thank you emojis.
You're welcome.
And we are also having
Maggie Thomas, and she said, OMG, thank God. Love you too.
We love you, Mama. You guys are so super sweet.
And we have Mystic, and he said, thanks on behalf of everyone for such warm welcome.
You guys are our darling. And we have to greet you all. You're the ones while we're here today being so happy. We're happy to see you guys every evening, I'm telling you. All right, we look forward to this time of the evening, family time with our YouTubers, our YouTube family. All right, so we have Sister Abina, and she said, "Good evening, Mama and Princess." You guys are so sweet. And we have kiss coming from Sister Abina. We're sending back some kiss, Mama. And she's also saying,
Happy Christmas to you all in advance. And she's sending some virtual hugs.
Thank you, Mama. And same to you. We also have Denisha.
And she said, love the way you say Mama.
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 We also have Abina and family. And she said,
Happy Christmas in advance to you all.
You guys are so sweet. Thank you, Mama.
And
we have
Parts.
And she's sending us something. I think that's a smiley face, right? So we love you. Mega love. Shout out to all the 7 million persons that are watching us from all over the world. From all over the world. You guys are fantastic. Remember that you are blessed, you are prosperous, and you are highly favored. We are happy to have you. Welcome. Mega love shout out to you and your house. Be safe. And we are going to be doing addition today. And we are going to be doing some addition using the number line.
Do you know what a number line is?
Do you know what a number line is? Do you know how to add using a number line?
Do you know what you use it for?
We can use it to add.
We can use it to subtract. We can use it to add. We can use it to multiply. And we can use it to subtract. We can use it for many things.
All right. And also we have Ariane.
Happy Christmas when it comes.
Oh, you guys are so sweet. You guys are so sweetie.
Yes,
all right. So we're not going to take any longer over here. We're going to go straight into our maths hour because we're not going to stay long. And if you have a question, feel free to send it in the chat and I will get back to you. Or Dijonae will get back to you, of course. All right.
And while mommy is teaching you guys, I will be over here looking at how you guys are doing, and I will also be typing the answers.
So she will be typing the answers. You hear her? All right. Let's see what she's gonna do. All right. So let's go ahead and see who else we have so we can get started.
We have Ariana, and she said, yes, I do. Yes.
Oh, so sweet of you. And we have
Jaynae Parson, she said, if I saw you, I would give you a big hug.
You're so sweet. You're such a sweetie, Mama. You are such a sweetie, Mama. And we also have Denisha saying,
me too, Ariana.
You guys are such a sweetie. We love you guys. You guys are so sweet. All right, so we're going to be going into math hour now. And I'm going to be showing you how you can add using the number line. And it's not going to be a long one today because I know you guys are brilliant. And you're going to be getting this even if it's the first time you're using the number line. And for the persons who know how to use it, it's going to be like a refresher.
And I know some of you have tests and they're probably about number lines and those things. You're in lucky hands because we're teaching you them now.
All right. So you see that you are unlucky egg. You are Dijonae. You are unlucky egg.
Unlucky egg. Lucky egg.
Unlucky eggy egg. An eggy egg. Unlucky egg.
Unlucky egg. Egg. Unlucky egg. You guys are a lucky egg. For those who have a test of a number line, you are a lucky egg. Woo!
All right, so we love you guys, and we're gonna get started. To all the teachers on the outside, we welcome you to Dijonae, Jaynae, Gordon,
Educational Channel.
All right, and we have Nevia, and she said,
you are making me laugh so hard.
You guys are so sweet.
And she's sending some good vibes.
All right, so we love you guys. We love you. Remember, if you're here for the first time and you want to participate in tonight's activity, what you are to do is that you are to make sure you write your answer in the chat Put your answer in the chat when we ask the question, and then we can read what you write, okay? We love you. I'm going to go right over to my board now, all right? Participate. We love you. I'm going to go right over to my board.
See you next.
All right?
Bye.
So then you're going to tell me if you are seeing my board, okay? All right, I'm going to switch to my board now, and you're going to tell me if you are seeing my board. All right. And Denisha said, I already like thumbs up. All right. Thank you. Are you hearing me? If you are hearing me, let me know. We are going to be starting. The first thing we're going to be doing is that we are going to be adding using the number line. And what we're going to be adding is 5 plus 3. First, you have to go on your number line, and then you're going to count 5. Then you're going to be adding 3 to it. So this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5. And then we are going to be adding 3 more to it. So 1, 2, 3. So we stop right there on 8, right? We stop on 8. So our answer is going to be 8. So we can say 5 plus 3, we get 8 when we use the number line. 5 plus 3, we get 8 when we use the number line. All right. And we have Ariana saying, I can see the board. I have Mystic saying 8. We have Ariana saying yes. We have Ariana saying yes. We have Ariana saying 8. We have Mystic. Mystic is saying hearing you. We have Sharita, and Sharita is saying 8. And you guys are doing fine so far. Remember now, we are adding using the number line. Let's take a next question. All right. We are adding using the number line. All right. All right. So the next one we are going to be taking is 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3. All right. We're going to take that one after Navia. We're going to take that one. All right. So now we are going to take 7 plus
3. So first, you have to get 7 first, right? Look. 1, 2, and remember, you see where I start? I start at 0. I start at 0. All right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 right there. Then we're going to be adding 3 more to it. You see where I start with my 3? That's 1, 2, 3. We stop right there. So we stop at 10. And that's what we will get for the answer when we add 7 plus 3. We are looking at the number line. And of course, we have Mystic saying 10. We have Sharita saying 10, and we have Ariana saying 10. All right? So 10, of course, is the correct answer. All right? Let's do our next question. So we have, who is that? Nevia said, let's do 7 plus 9. All right? Let's do 7 plus 9 on the number line for you. You guys are doing fantastic so far. All right, so let's do it together. Let's do it together. All right, so we have 7 plus 9, and we're going to be doing that on the number line. Look at my number line. I'm going to be starting at 0. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so that's 9. Look at what I'm doing. So that's 9. So I stop exactly on 9, right? So I stop on 9. So that's 9. And I'm going to be doing 7 more now. So I'm going to be adding 7 more to it. Look, wherever I stop, that's where I'm going to pick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it stopped exactly on 16. It stops on 16. So I am going to be circling 16, which is right there. And that is going to tell us that when you add 9 plus 7, you get 16. All right? So 9 plus 7, you get what? 16. You guys are doing fantastic so far. You guys are doing fantastic. All right? So if you are understanding what we're doing so far, let us know. Say, I understand. Send your answer in the chat. And all right, so Ariana is saying 16. All right, you guys are doing fantastic. You're most welcome, Nevia. All right, so you are most welcome. She said, thank you. Thumbs up. All right, so for the persons who are just coming on in, we're adding using the number line. We are adding using the number line. You guys are doing fantastic so far. You guys are doing a fantastic job so far. All right. All right. Sharita is saying, I understand. Very good. Thank you so very much for answering. All right. So the next one we're going to be doing is 8 plus 4. We're going to be doing 8 plus 4. All right. Remember, we're adding using the number line. There are different methods that you can use when you're adding. Tonight, we are using the number line. So let's do 8. Look where I'm starting. I start at 0 because from 0 to 1, it is 1. So it is basically, what we're basically counting is the spaces. So it is the spaces that we're counting. So that's 1 space, 2 spaces, 3 spaces, 4 spaces, 5 spaces, 6 spaces, 7 spaces, 8 spaces. So that's 8. 8 plus 4. So remember, I just stopped at 8. So I am going to continue starting from 8. Because from number 8 to number 9, that's 1 space. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you see, I stopped on numeral 12. So that is telling us that when you add 4 and 8, 4 plus 8, you get 12. 4 plus 8, you get 12. All right? And we have Ariana saying 12. Of course, we get 12. All right? So remember now, we are adding using the number line. You guys are doing fantastic. And we love you so much. Thank you so very much for coming on. Mega love shout out to all the 11 million persons that are watching us from all over the world. All right, so let's take another question now. All right, so in another lesson, I will show you how to multiply using the number line and how to subtract using the number line. So you see, we're adding. So if you realize the direction in which we are going this direction. And remember that east is always right. So east is always right. So you know your west is always left. All right. So when we're adding, we go to the east, right? When we're adding, we go to the east. So you know when we're going to be subtracting, we're going to be going to the west, right? All right, so I will show you that in another lesson. Tonight we're looking at how to add using the number line. All right, you guys are fantastic. And of course, we have Nevia saying 12. We love you guys dearly. All right, so we have Denisha, and she said 8 plus 7. All right, 8 plus 7. That's what Denisha said. All right, so now we're going to be moving. Remember, I said we're counting the spaces and not the number, right? Look, from 0 to 1, that is one space, right? That's one space. So come on now, come on now. So look at what I'm going to be doing. Remember now, we're using the number line. That's the method that we're going to be using. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you realize we stop exactly on 8. That's where we stop. We stop exactly on 8. All right? So now you need to look what I'm doing. Because I stop on 8, I am going to make sure that I start right here. I'm going to start exactly where I stopped to add 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And of course, I landed on 15. So I circle 15 because 15 is now the answer. So 8 plus 7 give us 15. 8 plus 7 give us 15. All right? Of course, 8 plus 7 give us 15. I hope you are understanding what we are doing so far. You guys are doing a great job so far. All right? If you're understanding, say I understand. So you see, Dijonae is busy typing the answers. All right? So she was busy typing the answer. You see, she give that one away. She give that one away to you guys. All right. So we're going to be taking another one. We are going to be taking another one. All right. This is the one that we're going to be doing right now. So for the persons who are just coming in, mega love shout out to you. We're happy to have you. You guys are fantastic and we love you dearly. Thank you for making it. Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon, Educational Channel. All right. We love you guys. You are awesome. You guys are awesome and we love you. All right. So look at what we're doing. So we're going to be adding 4 plus 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. All right. Let me see your answers. 4 plus 6. Let me see what you get. All right. Let me see what you got. What is the answer that you have? All right. 4 plus 6. So let's look. Remember, we start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, we stop on 4. So we need to add 6 more to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of course, we stop on 10. Of course, we stop on 10. And we have Ariana saying 10, of course. Of course, Ariana, it is 10. You guys are doing so good. You guys are doing a great job. All right. So let's take another one. And we have Nevia saying, Dijonae, you are adorable. Thank you. You're so sweet. We have the dynamic girls, and they said 10. We also have Sister Sydney, and she said 10. You guys are doing great. All right, we're going to be taking another one. For the persons who are just coming on in, we are adding using the number line, and this is the method that we're using today. Remember now, you can add using different methods. So what we're using now is the number line. All right, we are using the number line. You guys are doing great so far. All right, so let's see. All right, we're gonna be doing using 6 plus 6. All right, 6 plus 6. What is the answer right here? Remember now, we are gonna be starting at 0, and from 0 to 1, that is 1. Remember, we're counting the space. We're gonna be counting the different spaces, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you look, it's landed on 6. So we're counting the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 6 more, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of course, we landed on 12. So 12 is the correct answer. And of course, in the chat, we have the dynamic girls saying 12. We have Ariana saying 12. We have Emma saying 12. And let me see what Mystic is saying. Mystic said, have a blessed rest of the evening, guys. I am at work and break is over. Oh, so sweet of you, Mystic Sensation. Thank you so very much for coming on over. We love you. Have yourself a blessed evening. And remember that Dijonae Jaynae Gordon's educational channel is always here to support you guys. All right. You guys are super fantastic. Thank you for sharing your time with us. And for the persons who are just coming on in, we're happy to have you. You guys are fantastic. Welcome to Dijonae Jaynae Gordon. All right. So now what we're going to be doing is that we are going to be doing another problem. We are going to, I see Navia send us a problem. So that is 6 plus 8, and we're going to be working that one. 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 8, we're going to be working that one. Six plus 8. All right, let's see the answer. Let us see the answer. 6 plus 8. Remember now, it doesn't matter which one you put first. Remember, we are adding. We are adding, so it doesn't matter which one we put first, we will still get the same answer. All right? So if we put 6 first, we will get the same answer. If we put 8 after, we will still get the same answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you see, we stop at 6. We have to start at 6 to get 8 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course, we landed on 14. We landed on 14. So you see, let me see. We have, of course, Mystic Sensation saying, all right. So we have the Dynamic Girls, and their Dynamic Girls said 12. No, check that one over. We have Ariana Lee saying 12. We have Emma saying 12. Wait, Ariana said 14. The Jamaican Warrior saying 12. We have the Jamaican Warrior saying 14. I wonder why you guys think it is 14. Come on, check again. Check again. It is 14. 14 is the correct answer. I see Sister Sidonie saying 10. Wait, where did you guys get this 10? I think maybe you guys are back. So you have to refresh your page so you can be on the same page like me. All right? I see Navia corrected hers, and I see the Dynamic Girl saying 14 as well. So remember now, 8 plus 6, you're going to get 14. All right, so let's do another one. Let's do another one. If you're understanding so far, let me know. Say, type education in the chat. If you are understanding what we're doing so far, type education in the chat. Type education in the chat if you are understanding so far. If you are hearing me, say education, right? All right. And Sister Sidonie gave us a question, and she said 6 plus 4 equals 10. Of course, I think Sister Sidonie needs to refresh her page. I think she needs to refresh her page. And Ariana said yes. She's hearing. We have Jamaican Warriors saying education. Dijonae, of course, saying education. We have Lady Girl saying education. And of course, we have Sister Sidonie saying education. We love you guys. You guys are so sweet. All right, so we're going to be taking our next question right here. We're going to be taking a next question right here. Or maybe Sister Sidonie want me to do 6 plus 4. All right. 6 plus 4. I'm going to do that one for you. Don't worry. I'm going to use the number line to do that one. And of course, we have Navia saying education. You guys are so sweet. So 6 plus 4 or 4 plus 6, right? So look now, we're going to do 6 plus 4. We're going to have 6 plus 4, and we're going to represent that on the number line, right? So first, we're going to do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We stop at 4. So now we're going to take 6 now. We're going to pick up right at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of course, we stop on 10. We stop on 10. So of course, 6 plus 4 is 10. All right? 6 plus 4 is 10. And of course, we have Ariana Lee saying 10. You guys are so sweet. You guys are fantastic. You are doing a great job. All right? All right, so we're going to be taking 3 more, and then we're going to stop right there for tonight. For the persons who are in the chat, for the persons who are on the outside, we're happy to have you tonight. Welcome to Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon.
Educational channel.
All right, we have the Didi girls, we have the Jamaican warrior, and of course, they are saying 10. They are saying 10. All right, let's do this one now. Remember, we're adding using the number line. So we're going to be doing 13 plus 0. 13 plus 0. So we're using the number line to do 13 plus 0. And we have Emma saying 10 for the question that we just delete. All right, and you guys are doing fantastic. 13 plus 10. What is the answer using the number line? 13 plus 10. What is the answer using the number line? Who is going to get this one now? 13 plus 10. 13 plus 10. All right, let's look how this one is done. 13 plus 0. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we stop on 13 and it says 0. So it is going to stay just where it is. We're adding 13 something to nothing, huh? So it's still going to be 13. So 13 plus 0, it's going to be 13, and that's where we stop on the number line. All right, and of course, we have Ariana Lee saying 13. You guys are doing a great job. You guys are doing a great job. All right, you are super, super sweet. You are doing a great job. All right, and of course, we have the dynamic girls, and they said 13. We have the dynamic girls, and they said 13. You guys are so sweet. All right, so let's do another one. All right, let's do another one. We have 7 plus 4, and we're going to be using the number line to represent 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 on the number line. 7 plus 4, what is that? All right, 7 plus 4. So now we're going to be working that one. First, I'm going to do 7 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to add 4 to it. So I start exactly where I stop on the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, we stop where? We stop on 11. So you see that? We stop on 11. So 7 plus 4 is going to be 11. You see that, right? That's where we stop on the number line. And of course, we have Ariana Lee saying 11. And we have the Didi girls saying 11. You guys are doing great. You guys are doing a fantastic job, of course. All right. So let's take another one quickly. Let's take another one. If you are understanding what we're doing so far, type the word understand or type education in the chat. If you are understanding, type education in the chat. If you are understanding, type education in the chat. If you are enjoying tonight's math lesson, type education in the chat. Type education. So I see Ariana saying education. So Ariana is understanding. And I'm happy that you are Ariana. Mega love shout out to you, Ariana. We have Dijonae and the DD girls saying education. And Dijonae is typing on the DD girls channel. That's where she is right now typing. And I have Sister Sydney and she is saying, later DD girls, I have to go now. Sister Sydney, I'm coming over shortly to send out the notifications so I can see it. I'm coming on over now. Thank you so very much for coming on over. We are happy that you were here with us. You guys are awesome. All right, so we have now 9 plus 3. So 9 plus 3. What is 9 plus 3? 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. That's what we have now. 9 plus 3. So we're going to do 9 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you see, we stop on 9. So we're going to pick up there to add 3. 1, 2, 3. And of course, we stop on 12. We stop on 12. All right. So of course, we have the DD girls. And of course, they say 12. Of course, they say 12. All right. You guys are fantastic. You guys are fantastic. 9 plus 3 is 12. All right. So we're going to take the last one now. We're going to take the last one now. And then that's going to be it for tonight. That's going to be it for tonight. We're happy to have you. We're happy to have you. We are happy to have you. All right. Sister Sydney, are you still here? Let me know if you are still here, Sister Sydney. All right. So we have Ariana Lee saying 12, the Jamaican warrior saying 12. You guys are super, super sweet. You guys are smart. You are doing the right thing. All right. All right. This is the last one that we're going to be doing for tonight. All right. So we have 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. What is that? 5 plus 7. All right. 5 plus 7. And that is what you need to add now. That's what we're going to be doing. 5 plus 7. So remember, we start at 0. Remember, we start at 0 and we're counting the spaces. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between two numbers, you have a space, right? So we just count 5 spaces using the number line. So now we're going to be adding 7 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And of course, we stop on 12. So of course, we know that 5 plus 7, we get 12. And Ariana Lee said 12. We have Jamaican Warrior saying 12. We have Trisonia Street saying 12. The Dynamic Girl saying 12. And of course, we have a lot of persons saying 12. And we have in the house with us, we have the famous girl, Mia Williams. Hello, Mia Williams. Mega love shout out to you, my darling. Thank you so very much for coming on over to Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon.
And
China. We also have the famous Dennis Way, one of our supporters right here in the chat. And they are saying that hello us, hello us. Of course, you guys are always welcome. All of our nice supporters in the chat, inside and outside, the ones who cannot type, the silent viewers, you guys are our lovely, loyal supporters, and we are happy to have you. Of course, we're happy to have you. And the Dennis Day say they are in traffic. So I guess we have to work 2 more math problems so that they can catch up with what we have to do. And we have, of course, the most talented K motivational channel, and that's Kara. Hello, Kara. Thank you so much for coming on in, my darling. You are always welcome. And we have some all coming from Mia, and we have some love. And we're saying to you, Mia, right now, welcome back to Dijonae, Jaynae Gordon.
And
Channel. All right. And of course, we have the Dennis Way saying, hello, talented K. So K, the Dennis Way is saying, hello to you, Mama. We also have talented K saying, hello. So for all the wonderful persons who are just coming on in, what we're doing tonight is that we are doing addition using the number line. So if you're just coming on in, we are doing addition using the number line, right? All right, so on the board we have right here a number line. This is what the number line looks like, right? This is what the number lines look like, all right? So look at it now. Look at the number line. So this is our number line right here. It is numbered from 0 to 16. So the numbers that we are going to be using, when we add them, we have to make sure that the answer is between 0 and 16. Your answer cannot pass 16. Why? Because the number line is only number from 0 to 16. All right? So how do we go about adding a number on the number line? All right, so if we have, for example, we have 2 plus 4. So 2 and 4 are our addends. So 2 and 4 are known as our addends. All right, so when we had 2 and 4, we are going to get the sum, right? But remember now, we are not going to do that using counters or using strokes. We're going to use the number line to arrive at our answer. All right, so first we're going to be starting at 0. We have to start at 0 because if we don't start at 0, we're not going to get the correct answer. All right, so now we're not counting the numbers. What we're counting is the spaces. So from 0 to 1, you are going to get 1. And that's how we count them. So look, I'm doing 2 now. 1, 2. So look, 1, 2. So that's 2 spaces. And of course, we stop right there at numeral 2. So that is 2. And also what we're going to be doing now, we're going to add 4 to it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, we stop at 6. So 6 is going to be the answer. Because we stop at 2 right here, when we're going to be adding the 4, we have to start right here where we stop. And that is how we get our answer. All right? And of course, we see K in the chat, and K said 6. We have Ariana Lee, and Ariana said 6. And we have Trisonia, and Trisonia said 6. You guys are fantastic. You are doing a great job. For the persons who are coming on in, we are using the number line to do addition. We are using the number line to do addition. All right? And we have Mia saying, don't know this kind of matter at all. It's okay, Mia. It's okay. And she's giving a big laugh. I'm telling you. That's what I was saying. You see, when we were going to school, we don't use the number line. We use counters back then. But you see, there are different ways. There are different methods that we can use when we're doing addition, right? So also, I'm going to be doing a next one. Remember now, also what you need to know, when you're using the number line to do addition, you have to move to your east. You move to your east when you are using the number line to do addition, right? And remember, your east is always to your right. Your right hand side, that's where your east is to. All right? So look at this now. I'm gonna be adding 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3. All right, we have the dynamic girls and they're saying 6, of course. All right, so 5 plus 3, that is what we're going to be adding. First, you start at 0. And when we're adding, it doesn't matter which one of the addends, because 5 and 3 are called addends, right? 5 and 3 are addends. When we get the answer is called the sum. So even in mathematics, you have names for the different parts. All right? So look now, we have to start at 0. We had in 5 first, so 1, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see we stop at 5. We're going to be adding 3. If you do that, it's going to be wrong. So remember now, we are counting the spaces. So we have to start back at 5. 1, 2, 3. And of course, we stop at 8. So we circle it. So 5 plus 3 give us 8. And that is how we get our answer. And we have Trisonia saying 8. And of course, we have Sister Nisha, and she is saying, D and D, I'm still at work. And she's saying blessing and love, of course. Blessing and love to you, Sister Nisha. And of course, the device turn right off.
For the persons who are in the chat, I hope you are hearing me loud and clear. You know what happened right there. The device turned right off. So that's what's happening right here. It is plugged in, but yet it turned right off. Stop charging and turn right off. But guess what? We are in maths hour, and all I was doing was to show you how to do calculation using the number line. All right, you guys are fantastic. You guys are fantastic. You are doing a great job. All right, and we are having Sister Nisha saying hello to the persons in the chat. Of course, Sister Nisha is saying hello to the persons in the chat. And also we have Kara, and Kara is saying 8. We also have Ariana saying 8. And of course, you guys are doing a great job. You guys are doing a great job. All right. You guys are doing a great job. We have the DD girls and they're saying 8. And of course, we have Kara. And Kara is saying, yes, we are hearing you. All right. So what we were basically explaining right now is how to use the number line. How to use the number line to add a problem. That's what we were doing just now. So for the persons who are just coming on in, we were using the number line to do addition. Remember, when you are adding, we have different parts. We have different parts. So, for example, we just add 5 plus 3. In this case, 5 and 3 are known as our addends. When you add those, whatever you get, they are called your sum. The same thing you call your answer, right? The same thing you call your answer. So it is called your sum. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying so far. I hope you are understanding what we are saying so far. So I'm trying to enter studio using another device. I hope you can see. If you are seeing it, please let me know if you can see. All right. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be, all right. So Denisha said one more. All right. Let's do one more. All right. So basically that's the number line that we have right there. All right. So I'm going to be taking this one off. We're going to be taking this one off. I'm trying to work with the tablet so you guys can see it. All right. Because you know what happened? The phone turned right off on us. All right. So as I was saying, that's what the number line looks like. So we're moving to our east. So look at what I'm doing now. I'm going to be adding 3 plus 2 on the number line. So look what I'm going to be doing. I'm starting at 0, right? 1, 2, 3. And you see I stop exactly on 3. I'm adding 2 more. 1, 2. And of course, we stop on numeral 5. And I'm going to circle it. So that is what it looks like on the number line. So we are adding using the number line, and that is what it looks like. Of course, we have Tristania saying 5. And remember now that when we're adding, we go to the east on the number line. Ariana saying 5. Of course, you guys are so correct. All right. We have Dijonae, of course, saying 5. All right. So we love you all. What we were looking at is how to use the number line to add. All right. You guys are super sweet. And Tristania said, she needs 10 million more or some whole for numbers. I don't even know what to call that figure right there. She said, I want more. And I agree with you, my darling dear. I would say the same thing too. I would want more too. I would say the same thing like you. And of course, here is your girl Dijonae, and she is right here with you all. She is sending you some love right here.
I love you guys.
All right. So if you're hearing Dijonae, let her know. And Ariana is saying bye. Ariana, we love you dearly. Thank you so very much for coming on over. Remember now, we have different ways, different methods.
And she said, cannot hear you.
Are you hearing us now, Ariana?
I hear us now.
Are you hearing us? Let us know if you are hearing us. Are you hearing us?
Are you hearing us?
All right, she's saying yes, she's hearing. All right, so thank you so very much, Ariana. What happened is that the device turned off. It turned right off on us, and Denisha said yes, she's hearing us.
Thank you.
All right, so the device turned off, so we had to log on a different device. That's technology.
Yeah, and she said bye, 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 bye.
All right. So bye, 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 bye. We love you. Thank you so very much for coming on over in the Math Hour. Remember now, if you like what we did so far, when we're finished, just go on the outside, leave us a message and say how you think the Math Hour was. Also, remember now, for the persons who are here, we are going over to support the live that is going on for Sister Sidonie's mother. I don't get the notification yet, but they should start. They should start. So they're having a live for her right now to support her mother. Her mother was burnt out, and they're doing a live to support. So whatever way you can support her, I'm asking you please to go on over and to support. And she was here earlier. She was in the chat. She was typing. So here is your girl, Dijonae. She's talking to you all. Let her know. Do you have any question for us? Do you have any question for us?
Do you have any questions for us before we leave?
We're looking to see if you have any question for us. No, you don't have any question? All right, so if you don't have any question for us, as I said before, mega love shout out to all of you guys who came on over to support us. We're happy to have you guys. We love you dearly. And thank you so very much for coming on over to Dijonae Jaynae Gardens
Educational Channel. Ariana said, can you tell us the name of the channel?
All right, so I think it's a Taylor's family. Sister Nisha, are you hearing us? I'm trying to bring it up, but the device turned right off. I'm going to be putting it in the chat. Just a minute, please. All right, so I'm going to be putting it in the chat. I just saw it. So it's the Taylor's family. So I'm going to be putting the link in the chat. You can just click on the link and go on over to support, okay? I'm copying the link to put it in the chat. Hold on a bit. All right, so I just put the link in the chat. For the persons who want to go over and to support. Just click on the link and it will take you right over on the channel that they are now. So thank you so very much for your support. Thank you so very much for the thumbs up. Thank you for the share out. Thank you for coming overall. Thank you for participating in tonight's maths activity. You guys are fantastic and we love you all. All right. So remember that Sister Sidonie Mother, she was burnt out, and we are trying to see what we can do as much as possible to support, because we want to ensure that we can help somebody as we go along so that our living is not in vain. You guys are fantastic. We love you dearly and God bless you all. Have yourself a blessed night. And remember to seek ye first the kingdom of heaven, and all righteousness and other things shall be added unto you. All right. Until then, we love you. Walk good.
Until next time, it is your girl, baby, Dijonae Dynamic Girl, and this is your girl,
Deborah K, Mommy Dynamic Girl, and of course,
and together we make the Disney Girls.
all right. So we love you dearly. Thank you for coming on over on Dijonae, Johnny Gordon.
Educational channel. See you tomorrow.
Education is the most
powerful mission to change the world.
So we will see you all tomorrow in Read Aloud.
Friday.
In Read Aloud.
Friday.
All right, come on over and come early with your story so we can have a great time together. We love you. Until then, bye bye bye.
Bye bye.